The former Vogue assistant accused of stealing $50,000 from Grace Coddington appeared in court in Manhattan on Wednesday after pleading not guilty to grand larceny. Yvonne Bannigan, 25, appeared for a brief hearing with her attorney at Manhattan's criminal court for the first time since denying the charges earlier this summer. She will return to court on November 7th, when her lawyers will motion to dismiss the case against her. Wearing a knee-length placebo dress and black flats, she was emotionless as she made her way in and out of the courtroom. Bannigan is accused of spending more than $50,000 on Coddington's credit card and pocketing $9,000 of profits from consigning the former Vogue creative director's designer goods with the Real. She claims it is a misunderstanding. Bannigan, who is from Dublin, Ireland, worked for Coddington between 2016 and 2018. Coddington is now the magazine's editor-at-large. The dispute arose in April, when she allegedly discovered the credit card transactions and confronted Bannigan. Share this article. She insists that she told her they were legitimate and to go to the police if she had any concerns. Coddington followed suit and reported her allegations to the police. Bannigan was charged in May. Her attorney Michael Cornacchia said Coddington was meticulous about checking her credit cards and would have known if she was being stolen from. On Wednesday, he told DailyMail.com he was hopeful she would be vindicated at trial. Today went well from our view, since we can finally learn the specifics of the accusations by Grace Coddington and their basis, the alleged evidence of which, heretofore, has been solely in the possession of the prosecution. This being so, this is the beginning of addressing those charges and mounting Yvonne's defense, which we believe will ultimately lead to her being found innocent of all accusations, he said. Earlier, he suggested Coddington would have noticed if her assistants had been doing anything untoward with credit cards because she checked her statements regularly. Never, ever during these 2 years did Coddington, who checked her credit card statements and kept track of her possessions, complain to Yvonne or anyone else about Yvonne's conduct or any misuse of credit cards or misappropriation of any of her property. In fact, Yvonne was the one who suggested that Coddington go to the police to report the questioned charges, and Coddington went to the police the next day with Yvonne's encouragement, he told the Irish Independent newspaper earlier this year. Coddington has not commented on the scandal.